Hello. Today we shall be developing a database using Microsoft SQL Server Management 2014, and also my plan is to make a table also. So first I make the database, and here you can see that there are so many things. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, it is here on the top, and here you can see the databases are here. So from here I can develop our database. Okay, how to create the database? I just click on it, and I just click again on the right, and I select the new database that I select it. Okay, after selecting this one, it is coming gradually. Here, suppose the name of this database, I take it as a AAA, triple A. I take it as a AA. So I take it as a capital A, triple A. The name of the database, I take it triple A. Then I press OK. Here you can see the OK button. Just click on it. Okay. So the database is making gradually. So you click here. So you can see the database has been created. AAA. There are triple A. Okay. And in this database, I can make a table of a customers. So here I can make table. So here you can see table here. So here I can make a table for the customers. Okay, how? Okay, here I click again on the table, and you just click on the table, right? Table is here, click on it. After clicking on the table, so now the thing has come up. You can see the whole things. So column name, data type, and allow nulls. Okay, the first I put the ID number of the customer. Okay, and the second one is data type, and this one should be INT. INT means just 1 minute. She is coming slowly. INT means in integer, so I select INT. That is called integer. So I just deselect it. Okay, then first name of the customer. So I put it as a first name of the customers, and here I select the varchar. What is varchar? Is coming up gradually. Varchar, it is here. Varchar means variable character. So maximum can be 50. That is called varchar, variable character. Okay, then I select the second one, the last name of the customer. I put it like this. And here I also select a varchar as before. Where is varchar? I can go down. It is here. So here it is also 50, variable character. Okay. Okay. Then I talk about the address of our customers, right? That I write here. So the address, so here I select again. So here also I select the bar chart. The same thing I select bar chart again. I select all these things, right? You can take it down, scroll down. Okay, then I talk about hobby of the customer, right? That I can do. Okay, so hobby also I select the varchar, right? Varchar, the same thing I select variable character 50 and I deselect all the nulls. Then how many children the customer has? So I can also select from here. Here I select int. Int means integer that I select from here. How many children the customer has. Then what else? The income of the customer. So this one I also put integer A, B, C, D, E, F. Where is I? What is that? A, B, C. Here is the integer of, okay, I take it as an integer. Okay, first name, last name, address, hobby, children, income. And also I can do, what else I can do? Uh, Address, second address. Probably this customer has two address. So I put it address 2, right? Second address. And this one I take it as a also as before. I take it as a variable character and that 50 also I take it. Then what else? First name, address, hobby, children, income, address too. What else I want to know about a customer? Because because here my target is to make database of my all customers. Okay, then what else? Okay, I think it is done for the time being. For the time being, it is done. So this one is a very simple table for the customer. Okay, I did deselect all the allow nows, right? Okay, now, so data has been made. Sorry, the data table has been made. Now, I can insert data. Okay, but what I have to do, I have to save it first. So I click on the save icon. You can see from here, right? Save double. I click on the save, and the table name I put it as a customer table. Right, that I put it as a customer. The name of the table here. Okay, press OK. Okay. Then I have to click on there is a button called refresh. The button of refresh should be here. Just 1 minute. I think it's here, right? I click on that F5 or refresh. As a result, the whole data table will come up. Click on it. Okay. So I click on it already. Okay, now you can see I did it already. So you click on the table, right? You click on the table. You can see that the data table has been created. The customer data table has been created here. Okay. Now I have to insert data. in this table. How? I click on it. You can see the table, right? You can see columns. So these are the columns in the table: ID, first name, last name, right? Address. You can see from here. Hobby, children, income, address to. All the things are here. Okay, now I can insert data here. How to insert data? You select on the DBO customer, that is our table name, and click on the right and click on the edit, right? Edit top 200 rows. I do edit. Okay, now it is coming up. The whole thing has come up. My data table has come up. Okay, so the first is ID, first name, last name, address, hobby, children, income, address, second address, all are here. Okay, so first I start with the ID of the customer. So first is one ID number. First name of the customer could be Saeed. The second name is Hossain. Right. Address is suppose 345 Richardson, right? Richardson. Okay. The hobby is you can say walking around, right? That is the hobby. Children, maybe one children. Income, maybe $2,000. Then address, second address could be 210, 210 plan, right? So that I set all the data in the system. So that is customer number one. Then customer number two, we just go back. ID number two, customer two. Second customer could be Jennifer, right? Last name Lopez. Okay, the address is 414 Paris. Right? Hobby, soccer, children, suppose two children. Income, suppose $2,000. Address, second address could be 312 uh, Garland. Right? That is the second address. Okay, what about the third customers? I put it 3. The third customer is who? Could be Amber, last name Raw, right? Amber Raw, address 413 by D. Allen. Hobby could be what? Hobby could be basketball. Basketball he likes to play, something like that. Children free, income $5,000. Address, suppose second address 321 Bucking. Okay. So in this way, I can put many customers' data. So for the time being, here I show only 3 customer data. Then I check what happens. Okay, then make sure the whole thing must be saved, right? You have to save it. Okay. So what I do? So after doing all this thing, I make it save. You click on the save button, right? Click on it, save button, save all. I click on the save button. So I think it has been already saved. Okay, now I check whether it has been saved or not, right? Okay, so just you come here as before. Okay, what you do, you make a again click on the refresh button, right? You always do it refresh. That is here. Click on it all the time. Click on it. Okay, the whole thing has been refreshed. Okay, now I am to check whether the data has been saved or not. So you come here, this is our table, customer table. Click on the right, then select top 1000 rows. So it is coming gradually. You can see all the data has been saved. ID, first name, last name. I make it big for you. You can see better. Address, hobby, children, right? All are here. Last name, first name, income, address to, all are here, right? So three customer data have been saved successfully, right? Now, from here, you can also see the design of this data table. Just you go here, right, click on it, customer table, click on it, and right click, design. Click on the design. You can see the design, right, that we have done. First name, last name, right, all are here. All the design here. Okay, so this one is a very simple table for the customers using Microsoft SQL Server. And thank you very much for being with me for a while. Good luck.